All rise. Support court with Judge Vanderby is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB1065, Cruz case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. All right, Mr. Cruz, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I'm trying to get a reduction in my child support.
Okay.
I recently been working and my wages has been reduced, so I want to see if I can get my child support reducted.
Okay. How much were you making?
Originally, about 100 a year.
All right. What are you doing?
I'm a restaurant owner.
Okay. So now, what are your wages looking like?
About yearly or weekly?
Yearly.
78. 70.
So from
75.
about 100 to 78,000?
Yeah.
All right. Have you had to lay off employees or anything like that?
It's been hours been reduced.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. So it took a reduction in hours. All right. Is that it? You just want to reduce because your wages changed?
And I actually have a new wife.
Congratulations.
Yeah. And a newborn on the
Okay.
way. So I got more responsibilities I got to take care of.
You said you have a newborn. The child in this case, how old are they?
Which one? My newborn?
No, not your newborn, the child between the two of you.
4 years old.
4, boy or girl?
It's a girl.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a case packed with everything: money, family drama, and a courtroom showdown that's about to get intense. Today's focus is on Mr. Cruz, a restaurant owner who's asking the court to reduce his child support payments. He claims that business is down and times are tough. But his ex, she's not convinced. As the case unfolds, things get murkier. The deeper we dig, the more contradictions we uncover. Is Mr. Cruz truly facing financial hardship, or is this just a strategic move to pay less? By the end of this case, you might find yourself questioning what's real and what's just part of the game. Let's dive in.
4-year-old, who carries that child on health insurance?
Me.
How much is it?
$430.
$430. Okay. You said you have a newborn, so is it $430 now with the newborn, or was it $430 before the newborn?
Before.
Okay. What is it now?
I haven't really checked, but I think it went up a couple of $100s.
Okay. So what are you thinking?
Maybe like 600. 6.
And is that for the whole family, or is that just for the 2 newborns?
2 newborns.
Okay. Well, not 2 newborns, the newborn and the 4-year-old.
Yeah.
Okay. So $600 just for them too?
All of us together.
Okay, so all of you together is $600. How many people are on that plan?
3.
Well, it can't be 3.
Yeah, it's me. Me,
No.
my son, my daughter.
You, your son, what about your wife?
Oh, well, she's not on there.
Okay.
We just recently been married, so we haven't switched things up yet.
Okay, how long have you all been married?
About 3 months.
Oh, okay, so yeah, you are. So it's about $200. If I take that 600 and divide it by 3, it's $200 per person. So for both kids, it'll be about $400. That sound about right?
Yeah.
Okay. So your wages decreased, health insurance somewhat increased, okay? Is there anything else you want me to know?
Is there some more stuff you wanted to know?
Well, I mean, you came to court.
Okay. I mean, pretty much, yeah, that's it. I mean, I've been married, I got a newborn. The restaurant haven't been doing so good. And I just need some help from y'all to help me reduce my child support.
Okay. All right. Ma'am?
Yes.
Is there anything you want me to know?
Yeah, actually.
All right. Are you in agreement to his child support being reduced?
No, I am not.
Okay, tell me about that.
I think it is fine as it is. I don't want to fight to increase it. I think the payment you are paying me is enough. The restaurant that he owns, same business. I don't see there being any less business. The only hours that were reduced were mine because your wife is the manager.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I didn't catch that part.
Yeah.
Run that by me again.
So he claims that the restaurant isn't doing so good.
Okay.
But I think the business is the same. It was just my hours that were reduced, so I had to pick up another job to make do.
Okay, so you, him, and new wife all work together?
Yeah, well, I only work on...
All right, let's pause for a moment. Mr. Cruz is requesting a reduction in child support, arguing that his income has dropped significantly. He used to earn $100,000 a year, and now he's down to $78,000. That's a decrease, no doubt, but let's keep things in perspective. He's still earning more than 80% of Americans. On top of that, he recently remarried and welcomed a newborn into his new family. So here's the real question. Is this truly about financial hardship, or is Mr. Cruz simply redirecting his resources to support his new household? What do you think? Does he have a valid case, or is this just a clever financial reshuffle?
now, but yeah.
I mean, it's okay. I mean, we all get along. We make things work out for the family.
Oh.
I mean, for the better.
If that's the case, then you all wouldn't be here, right? Because you want a decrease. She's saying no. So you all get along?
I don't understand how it's supposed to pay something that I don't have, really.
But she's saying the business hasn't changed. You're talking about in terms of customers coming in and things like that?
Yeah, I think that
so since Corona
money is
hit,
going elsewhere.
since Corona hit, our business has took a pretty much significant loss since Corona hit. Our customers.
I can believe that. You know, that's happened to a lot of businesses.
So we've been trying to recover from that. So her hours may just be from that.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't think your hours got reduced because of COVID?
No. I'm the strongest server there.
Why do you think your hours were reduced?
Because his wife doesn't like me there.
Now she's cool with her.
Now, this is where things take a dramatic turn. Mr. Cruz's ex just dropped a bombshell. She also worked his restaurant, but her hours were cut. And according to her, it wasn't because business was slow. She claims the real reason is Mr. Cruz's new wife, who also happens to be the restaurant manager, simply doesn't want her around. Yikes. If that's true, this isn't about a struggling business. It's about personal drama spilling into the workplace. So what's really going on here? Is Mr. Cruz genuinely trying to tighten the budget, or is he tightening his grip and using money as a means of control? You decide.
Around. Oh.
I haven't seen.
Sounds
that.
A little messy.
I haven't seen that. We don't. I don't think just so far as business wise, we don't mix the business with the family. So far her hours, if anything, we gave her extra like 5-6 hours last week.
Okay.
Yeah.
As the dishwasher.
The hours.
So you're saying no, just based on you don't think that the business has changed or anything. Do you have any documentation that you brought with you today that shows his income has not decreased as he just testified to? He says $78,000 now, right?
Yeah.
Besides your belief, do you have any other reason to suggest that maybe he's not being truthful about what his income is?
Well, I just think, like, him having a new child, he doesn't want to support the child he already has to the extent that he can.
Okay.
And I feel like
I take care of all my kids.
I didn't say you don't, but you should, make sure that the one you already have is taken care of. And yeah, I think, just the support is still needed.
Well, I don't think he's saying he doesn't want to support. He's saying he can't afford to support what it was. And if the roles were reversed and you were in that situation, wouldn't you want him to consider what you're saying as true and possibly work with you and reduce your child support?
Yeah, that would be fair.
Okay. Well, I think that's fair too. So this is what we're going to do. Based on your testimony, that your wages have decreased, and you kind of alluded to, not that his wages necessarily decreased, but that the business is not doing so well because your hours have been reduced. We may not necessarily know the true reason why, according to what you're saying, but your hours were in fact reduced, right? Which could be a direct result of the business during the pandemic, okay? So this is what we're going to do. Based on your testimony, your new gross comes out to $6,500. That brings your net to $5,157, giving you credit for both of the children that you have. And I gave you credit for your health insurance, okay? The new health insurance amount for $400. I couldn't give you $600 because it's only for the children, okay? So with that, your new child support amount comes out to $825. Based on what you used to pay at that $100,000, your child support was $1,242. So it went down about $300 or so dollars.
So what about the extra hours I was giving her? We're giving her a week.
Hold on a second. Did you catch that? Mr. Cruz is now trying to argue that if his ex gets more hours at the restaurant, his child support should be reduced even further. But that's not how child support works. This case is supposed to be about his income, not hers. It's starting to look like he's trying to shift the financial burden onto her instead of taking full responsibility himself. And did you notice the judge's reaction? She wasn't having any of it. She shut that argument down immediately. So, what do you think? Was this a sincere claim, or just a clever attempt to dodge his obligations?
If we up the hours for her, would that lower my child support a little bit?
If we up her hours?
Yeah, so last week we gave her like an extra 6 hours.
Okay.
So what about if we gave her like maybe 12, 10?
This has nothing to do with her income. This is about yours.
Okay.
Why would you want her working more to decrease your child support?
So she can make more money to help
Pay
me
for his
out.
other baby.
See, now you starting to waste my time. Don't do that. Don't do it. You have a legitimate reason to be here, and you have a legitimate request. Don't be ugly, okay?
All right.
Okay. Do you have any other questions?
So that's the final answer for the 800.
That's what I said, right?
Yeah.
I said it went from $1,242 to $825.
But that's like $300 though.
Yeah, but it's
All right, the final numbers are in. Mr. Cruz's child support has been reduced from $1,242 to $825 a month. That's a solid $300 cut. And yet, he's still not satisfied. Let's break it down. This new amount already takes into account his 2 other children and his health insurance expenses. In other words, this is as low as the law allows. So now the question is, does he have any real reason to keep pushing for more? Or is this just plain greed? What's your take? Let us know in the comments.
have given you credit for health insurance. What else could you be asking for? That's all I can do within
I got a new
the
baby.
realms of
I
the
got
law.
a new baby.
And I took that into consideration, which is why your percentage is 16%.
So I supposed to pay $800 a month. That's 12 times 12.
$825 to be exact a month. What are you doing?
That's $9,900 a month. How much?
Okay, you were paying $1,242. Do you want me to increase it back?
Nah, it's cool.
Oh, okay. So you don't have any more questions, right?
Nah, it's cool. So
Okay.
800.
$825.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Nothing further.
That's it.
The answer is no, right?
Yes. This is it.
Because your child support got reduced. You got what you were looking for, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything further from you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
And there you have it. The judge decided to reduce Mr. Cruz's child support, but not to the extent he was hoping for. While he claimed financial hardship, his ex exposed some questionable contradictions. And let's be honest, those arguments didn't hold much weight in court. The big takeaway? Child support is determined by actual income, not personal convenience. You can't just pass the financial responsibility onto someone else because your circumstances change. So, was this a fair ruling? Or should the judge have gone in a different direction? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy these courtroom deep dives, don't forget to like and subscribe for more jaw-dropping cases. See you next time.